We are fast approaching that time of the year again where the sales are on, and we're obviously looking for cool new gear to get. And I wanted to show you two filming setups that carry this entire channel and almost all of the content that I create. One built for movement, momentum and chaos, and the other built for that cinematic control and a more methodical, measured approach. These are the rigs that let me shoot fast, shoot clean and stay creative no matter where I am. So let's jump in. Over the past year, I found myself filming in two totally different environments. The calm, controlled studio, like in here, and sometimes the absolute chaos of running shots. Now, I just want to be clear, you don't need a dedicated camera for this. Modern phones shoot incredible video. I mean, I'm filming this right now on the iPhone 17 Pro, but building two dedicated setups helped me work faster, especially when I'm juggling content for different channels. Now, there are two things that I wanted across both setups, and that was consistency. You know, being able to produce clean matching audio across every shot, and obviously speed to help create a workflow that lets me switch instantly between running shots and taking headshots like this. But like any creator who is building their own setups, there have been those trials and tribulations along the way. When I first started, I did run into a few issues, you know, stabilization on certain action shots, which was remedied by upgrading from the Osmo Action 3 to the 5 Pro, and having audio that didn't match between cameras and phone clips. But the real change in quality of production for me was when I upgraded to my Sony ZV-E10. So when you film as much as I do, having those dedicated tools start to make sense. So let's have a look at those setups. Now, I use the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with the DJI Mic Mini and this Telecine mini quick release tripod. The Osmo Action 5 Pro, which has been a great addition in the last year, provides great stabilization and color, as well as being more convenient than a larger camera and definitely safer compared to using a phone. The Mic Mini, which is my newest addition, I wanted to explore doing more different types of content on the Action 5 Pro, which involved being a little further away from the camera. But with the Mic Mini, this transmitter and another one, if I needed, can connect automatically without having a receiver plugged in. And as you'll see in a moment, I have also been using the Mic Mini on the ZV-E10, which now gives me that consistent audio across both rigs. And then finally, everything on the Telecine mini quick release selfie stick tripod. It's compact, extendable, fast, and definitely reliable. Now, this combination allows me to get the shots I need, like this, for my socials. And my main filming rig is this with the Sony ZV-E10. The lens I primarily use is the Sigma 16mm f1.4. Now, I invested in this a few years ago because the kit lens, which I was using before that, broke. And in the last few days, to accompany the Sigma 16, I now have the Sony 18 to 105mm f4 lens, and that's going to assist with some of the videography projects that I want to do. Now, another recent addition to this is also that Mic Mini. Now, I've tested loads of really good microphones on the channel, like including this Boya microphone, but I wanted something like the Mic Mini that was going to allow me to use on both setups. And with the addition of this receiver and the camera adapter, I was able to make this system wireless as it connects directly into the hot shoe of the ZV-E10. Now, as well as these main components, I also use the Portkeys PT5 to monitor this small rig cage that allows me to get better grip of the ZV-E10 and add other things to the setup like handles and lights if needed. And one of the most useful parts is having these mounts like this that are Arca Swiss type compatible, and they allowed me to just have multiple mounts in here that are easy to switch to. So I've got these two rigs that for me cover every scenario. And so for running shots, I just grab the Action 5 Pro. We're talking headshots or B-roll, I grab the Sony rig. Same audio, same workflow, and same vibe. Now, if you are looking to upgrade for Black Friday or Christmas, hopefully these two setups give you some ideas. Now, I will link everything that you've seen in this video in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, press that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.